Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The latest view of for the origin of viruses is. In this question, the key concept is the key concept is virus. Basically, viruses are the infectious microbe that causes disease. Basically, these are obligate intracellular parasite that contains a segment of genetic material that would be either DNA or RNA. They are basically inert outside the living cell and they can only replicate inside the host cell. ये अपना replication अपनी life cycle को सिर्फ तभी complete कर सकते हैं जब ये host cell के अंदर होते हैं. Basically, these play an important role in the horizontal gene transfer and gene diversity. They play an important role in the gene transfer and gene diversity. The evolutionary history show that the origin of virus as to have evolved from plasmid. किससे origination दिखाया है इसका? Plasmid से when pieces of DNA moved between the cells. कहाँ जाते हैं वो? Cells के बीच में जाते हैं. So basically, big bits of cellular DNA became independent and some DNA stuck at the cell genome. जिसमें से कुछ जो थे वो कैसे हो गए? Independent हो गए. And बाकी के जो थे वो कैसे हो गए? Stuck हो गए. बाकी के जो थे वो stuck हो गए with cell genome. तो अब हम अपने ऑप्शन देखते हैं. कह रहा है लेटेस्ट व्यू जो था वायरस के ओरिजिन का. दे हैव अराइजन फ्रॉम न्यूक्लिक एसिड एंड प्रोटीन. नो. दे अरोज फ्रॉम बैक्टीरिया. नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट. दे अरोज फ्रॉम सम बैक्टीरिया विच हैव अ डेवलप्ड न्यूक्लियस. नो. दे आर मॉडिफाइड plasmids which are in fact the fragments of nucleic acid of the host. The correct answer is option D. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.